Are you making these bra mistakes I'm going to talk about in this video? Well, I'm here to fix them. Bonjour French ladies. October has been Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and in support of that, Comfelie approached me to make a video, so Comfelie are sponsoring a video today. So let's talk about something that affects how your outfit looks. And of course, it is bras. After 50, our bodies change, shape, posture, comfort levels. But many women do not rethink their bras. I will share 5 common mistakes women over 50 make with their bra, how to fix them so that you feel lighter, more comfortable, and your outfit looks neater. As a professional stylist, the first bra mistake that many women over 50 make is wearing the wrong size. Can you believe that over 80% of women wear the wrong bra size? Probably due to body changes. If the band is too tight, it digs in and creates bulges. But if it's too loose, it rides up and gives no support. Your band should sit comfortable around your ribcage and feel snug but comfortable. The center front should lie flat against your chest. My advice is remeasure every year. Our bodies change, and so should our bras. When the fit is right, you will instantly feel taller, slimmer, and better supported. The second bra mistake that women over 50 make is relying on underwires for support. Many women over 50 believe that underwire equals support, and I was one of them. I used to wear underwired bras in my youth, but after 50, I started to find them very uncomfortable, even painful. I used to have red marks on my skin in the evening. Underwires press into soft tissue and they can irritate the skin. And this is where Comfelie's clever wire-free concept comes in. The support from Comfelie bras actually come from clever design and high-quality materials, not metal. And this makes all the difference. When I first tried them on, I was hooked. The support was there even as a wireless bra, which is very difficult to get. I said, wow, they are so soft, and the comfort was incredible. And you know me, if it's a wow, it's a yes. They are seamless and comfortable and supportive. So this is one of Comfelie's bras. And one thing you will see is that there is no label on the side. I really like that because you know those nasty labels can be very long, bulky, and many times they come out of the bottom of the bra and they can be seen through your clothes. Instead, you have all the information printed on the side, which I think that's really good. Also, something I was not expecting is that each bra comes with its own band extender. You don't see that anywhere else. On the inside, which is ultra soft, you have a little slot here for a thin pad if you wanted to remove it. But I leave it in to make it more seamless under t-shirts, for instance. And you can see here, I am wearing one right now. And you can see how smooth it is. Next, you have a V-neck on this particular one with some lace. So that is really pretty because it's nice to wear supportive bras, but we want them to be pretty as well, don't we, ladies? Very comfortable here around the chest and the back. And you will notice here that the side wings are higher to avoid those underarm bulges. So it makes for a neater silhouette. Also, something that I like is you have them in various colors. Not only the usual standard white, beige, and black, but you have some other colors. And what I like as well is the light blue with the dark blue straps, and you will see other color combination, which is nice to have a little bit of variety. The straps also are a little wider than other bras you can find out there, so they offer comfort because they don't dig into your shoulders. And also they keep the bra into place. The 3D molded cups move with your body, and the Oecotex Standard 100 certified fabric means it's gentle on mature skin and safe for long-term wear. Not only that, but Comfelie uses up to 43% spandex, far exceeding the industry standard of 15%. This offers exceptional elasticity, excellent shape retention, and buttery soft touch. Designed with breast-friendly features and exclusive support system, Comfelie bras ensure maximum comfort and reliable support, catering to natural contours and providing a pressure-free and seamless fit for all-day wear. Another thing I need to mention is that not only are they wire-free, but they are seamless. It is a bra in one piece, so you will not have those nasty seams digging into your skin or chafing. Much more comfortable. Comfelie is offering you 18% discount with my special code AN18, and I will link the bras in the description box below. If you've ever sighed a breath of relief after taking your bra off at the end of the day, this is the kind of comfort upgrade you need. The number 3 mistake that many women over 50 make with a bra is ignoring fabric and breathability. Your skin gets thinner and more reactive as you age, so heavy synthetics can feel suffocating and very uncomfortable. This is why you need to choose lightweight, breathable fabrics that let air circulate and make your skin much more comfortable. The right fabric, such as the bras from Comfelie, means no chafing, no overheating, and a bra that feels good from morning to night. The fourth mistake that many women over 50 make is hanging on to their old or worn out bras. We all have that favorite bras from years ago, but elastic and support materials break down over time. After 12 to 18 months of regular wear, even a quality bra needs to be changed. If the band stretches more than 2 fingers away from your back, or the cups get wrinkled and lose their structure, it is time to replace it. Believe me, your posture and silhouette will instantly improve. If some of you are worried about the cost of changing your bra every 12 to 18 months, please remember of the cost per wear. Even if you have a few bras, you may wear them about 50 times a year or even more. And let's not forget, my lovely ladies, that bras do some heavy lifting. Look after your bras and they will support you. A fifth mistake that many women over 50 make with a bra is forgetting that comfort is a part of style. The biggest mind shift to make is to realize that style does not have to be uncomfortable. There are many pieces of clothing that are chic and comfortable, such as a beautiful cashmere top is comfortable yet ultra stylish. And of course, a bra that is ultra comfortable doesn't have to be ugly. This bra is very stylish and ultra comfortable. So ladies, if you recognize yourself in those mistakes, make one change this week. Get remeasured, update your fabrics, or retire those old bras. And if you're ready to experience real wire-free comfort, have a look at Comfelie through the links below. They've offered you a special 18% discount. Remember, style begins with the foundations. When your bra fits and feels right, everything else falls into place. Thank you to Comfelie for sponsoring our video. And if you want to know 7 mistakes that make you frumpy, watch the video on screen now.